Right, yeah, welcome back. We want to look at histogram and density plots. When it comes to uh, one numerical variable visualization, one of the important plots that one can easily introduce is called histogram or density plot. All right, so we want to look at that quickly, and our library is still hold, so we're still going to continue using it, right? As I have set it there. So we're going to, I've attached my penguin. So let's look at the jump into it directly. One numerical variable with histogram or density plot. So to plot a density histogram or is very easy. Just call histogram. This is pass the in the variable. Don't forget, I'm not using $sign now to invoke my variable. I just type it directly, my column, because I've attached it. Don't forget that. So I can totally access it. So now if I run this line of code now, I will see my histogram. You can see histogram shown here. So this is just a basic histogram, how it looks like. But you can plot, you can improve on the histogram. You may want to, because of a multiple function of a ggplot, which you can do better. You can run this now. This one says same thing, just now you are passing it your dataset penguin here. Then your x-axis is what we just pass. We just use now. Then we are saying geo underscore histogram for ggplot. So just a plus, press enter. Then we want to color it black. I want to fill it gray. So color means black means outline color. That was an outline color black. Then filling means inline color here. So if you run this line of code now to give you this, so this is one for the ggplot. Now you can see how it looks like different from the former one. All right, so you can see also for density plot, you can do the same thing for density plot. All right, so the same thing you plot for ggplot, you can also plot for density plot actually. All right, but it doesn't look that beautiful. So, but you can still do the same for ggplot here. Just passing your this and call a geometry underscore density here. That's all. So we fill red so that you can see. If we fill red for density plot, we see like you feel like this. All right, the outline is by default black. All right, so you can also color the outline if you want to color the outline and make it more thicker. Okay, but alternatively you can plot make density plot using geodensity is line of line width, which as I'm so now we handle color by species. All right, so you can look at this now. So when we passing the our usual parameters, we now say color equal to species. So we want to see by species now. Then we want to use line width. So it will give us basically 3 lines of the, because we have 3 species there. So if you run now, you have a line species. You have different colors of line. So we have a red, green, and blue. Ideally, we have chain trap and gen 2, right? So that's what you guys can see how it look like. This is just normal uh, density plot, but this time around in different color because we are using color by species. But you can be able to see the difference in those things. We can also do this, fill this also, and make it look more beautiful than this. Okay, for example, if you run this line of code now, you say color by species, fill by species as well. Okay, we can run this line of code. You can see that it's showing. Don't mind the warning. So you can look at it now. So we fill. So we make it alpha 0.5 so that it can uh, uh, look transparent. That's what it means. So that you can be able to see the other species behind it. Okay, so you can see this. You can see this one color now. You can see the behind it can be seen, can be visible. You can see them. If not, you'll not be able to see the one behind it. So that is purpose of a alpha equal to 0.5. You can see fade it further by increasing the alpha. Okay, so that is that for this. So this one is look more presentable, beautiful, and you can work with that. So that's how the shape of density plot look like depending on your data you are start to access now. The shape of the data is different. Okay, but you can see that the density plot is not actually following normal distribution. Okay, so you can also want to create the density plot just basically the way you created before, but this time around you want to add a density. Want to create a frequency histogram, then including a density line to it. For example, like this. So we can just make it red. So just it's basically like what we created before, but we want to put this one on top of it. So instead of using a count here, we change the count to density. All right, so that is what we do here. So we don't want to say frequency, we say frequency equal to force. Then we now put a title there, main. You can put S lab, Y lab. Yeah, just to make sure, I mean, this one and this one control it by using this particular function, S lab and Y lab. So we put a line to it. We make it red. You can make it any color you want. All right. The thickness is 2. You can increase the thickness as a line width. Thickness is 2, so we can do that. So this is just simple density and histogram plot. So it's good basically to visualize a one numerical variable or a column in your data set. So that is that for now. I will see us again in the next plot. Thank you.